In this video, we are going to learn how to get data from links using the Next.js framework. So, with in the latest version of Next.js13, we are able to get data from links using the link function. So, first, let's create a new directory. Let's create a new Next.js application by running the command npm create app. And then we will be navigating into the directory and opening the directory in VS Code. So after opening the folder on the VS Code, now we can run the server using npm run dev. I am using pnpm as my package manager. You can use npm or pnpm, it doesn't matter. So do whatever you works for you. Now this would create a new locally run website on the port 3000. So open your browser and visit localhost 3000. So we are actually importing the link package from Next Navigation, and which is required for creating links that contain data, which you can also access it. Now if you went to localhost 3000, you will be greeted with the default Next.js13 home page. Now and it does take a time to load. Now this is the default Next.js application. Now I have already done a sample project related to this, so I will be copying and pasting code from the previous project. So and I will show you what all changes I have made later. Now if you went to the website, and you will be seeing that you will see the please do check the link. You will see the localhost /hello $color and equal to white. So I'll be showing you one example where I create a new link. So at first, just create an opening and closing tag of link with the capital L. Now create an href. Now inside the link tag, create an href equal to slash the page you want to navigate to. So I'm creating a page called hello, and are followed by a question mark, which will accept as a parameter, and I am passing a parameter as a color, and the value of the color would be anything which I want, but for this case I will be using orange as the color value. And so that's what we did. And inside the link tag we'll be also creating a new h tag for something that are of color will be fine for just clicking link. Now you will see a new text is generated called data of color. Now if you click data of, no, please don't click the link now because I have created a new page called hello. Now let's create a new folder called hello, which in nextjs13 means a new page. Now create a page, so let's create a page called folder called hello, which will create a new page in nextjs called. Now inside the folder create a file called page.jsx, and I will be copying the code from my article which I have written. And so for this we need to use the use search branch module like function for getting the data from the link. So this is the sample code, you can just paste it and just save it, and this will do the whole thing for you. Now what does this code is like, it will take the value of color and store it on a variable called color with a capital C, and like show that on the text inside a h1 tag. Now if you click it, you would see white. Now if you can manually change the link color value to something else like scribe color, and it will see like there's a subscribe text over there, so it doesn't matter what you code, it does only matter what's there in the link. So yeah, now if you go back to localhost 3000 and click on another file which would be pink, so it's like the same web page and the same links. Now if you went to the code, you will see the tag target underscore blank, which uses the which causes the links in your tab. Now if you click the data of color, which doesn't have a tab, which is the same tab. So that's how you can get data from links. So that's it. Thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe for more. Bye.